batho ka feedback gore go tsamaile yang ko
meeting.
Okay,
we had a youth meeting, Dumelang Bagolo, Ward 1, Mopatima, more especially because we are focusing here. We had a meeting yesterday where youth, Jakanere Kopani, ka 4 o'clock. We had only 9 youth attending the meeting yesterday. It was very disappointing but exciting at the same time because which means those youth they were the ones by unemployment because we made a very public invitation to everyone, but no one came. Only 9 people came yesterday, and then we chose among from them. Actually, we didn't choose. We took all of them. We are the ones by employment in this ward, and
so
those people who never came to the meeting, benefit. It's very unfortunate, or they will benefit either way because remember we focusing on the act, the Employment Equity Act with this EEA. So there will be no use for but the priorities and the key, I think it will be around those 8 members, excluding me because I'm the one I think heading this. So excluding me, it will be 8 members that will be prioritized before.
Mara, don't you think in the future but let's advantage and make it a habit
yeah, they can make it a habit and it will be very unfortunate. Please, youth, if we are calling you, please attend the meetings because it is very important. Like for now, today, we had a meeting yesterday, we agreed for today, we are going to shop. We want to find out why, sorry to put it this way, why Makula Bahayara people who are not from our local community. So we have more than 10 shops, local shops, more Patima. So which means Batsadi, Kapabom, Kapabon Tate, Kapatoba, Chabale 10, they can be able to be employed or it will make a difference in your life. So please, this is a wake-up call. When we call a meeting, come to the meeting. Like tomorrow, we are preparing our way to go and visit the mining sectors. If the mining sector give us the opportunity and say, okay, bring us 30 people, where are we going to get the 30 people? Because it seems like only 9 members attended the meeting yesterday, which means we are all covered, and it's wrong. We must attend the meeting when we are called.
So you created a database, or are you planning to create database?
We don't even want to create a database because we are running with attendance register. If you attend a meeting, which means you are unemployed, because our meetings are unemployed. Does it mean it's for specifically unemployed? So we are going to go with the register. Even the institution can say, bring us 12 of the people right now by Lord Hababereki. We are going back to the registered meeting and we are going to select from those people, but in the meeting.
So are the people against your movement?
Sorry?
Against your movement.
Yes, the people, and then after the video that I've shot Friday, announced the meeting on Monday, we got the messages, we got the threats, we got some silly messages, but we know as a leader, I'm a leader, I know, I'm a pastor actually, I'm a leader. As a leader, you will be able to be short, you will be able, but if you know your mandate, you will move on. And then my message to those people who are sending me the message under bed, let me tell you, I am coming for this and I'm not going back.
So what's the next step?
The next step is just today we agreed from yesterday's meeting different shops finding out or where's along and then they must bring back to the community. We are buying from them each and every day, so they must bring back to the community by employing the community members. And the other thing is that if I'm not gonna make another video, and then next week tomorrow it will be on Wednesday, we praying that in Twarona we are going to the mining sectors. So in a nutshell, we are going to the local shops today to find out more, and then tomorrow we are facing the mining sectors around Bosuk, around Bakubung, around Masef Platinum Mine. We are going to all of those criteria, the places. I thank you.